Look, you can tell he's listening to some Tragically Hip.
Look at that. Now that's a fire. It's hot.
Where's your stick? Where's your stick?
If it's too close, he won't go.
No.
Holy fuck.
Oh,
Oh, there it is there.
I'm sorry, Cash. This is not the way home any longer. See, this is our trail. Oh no, we can't get home. What are we gonna do, Cash? No, 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 no. Come here. Come here, Cash. Come on. Good boy. It's pretty fast, eh? Let's see. The foam. Look at the foam. Like, amazing. What do you think, Cash man? Come on, no, no. Come on, we're gonna go the other way. This way, Cash, let's go. He's so funny. Okay, time to go home. Let's go. This way. Well, I guess we definitely won't be taking the creek any longer. Hey, Mars, look at this. Look at the foam down there. That's the way we would walk home. No go, Cash. She's flooded. The water's running. That's what happens after a week of plus double digits. Look at the foam. It's crazy. Cash likes it too. Like, look at it all. Holy crap. Look at it. It's just building and building and building right there. That's a ton of foam, man. What the hell? There's still ice. Look at that. Water's sluicing right underneath it. Man, I love where we live. What do you think, Cash? Good spot to live? Okay, we're gonna go down the other side and take pictures on the other side. Check out this beaver dam. It's like just flowing over it. Big chunks of ice still in there. There's no way this is gonna freeze over again. Wow. It's a little calmer here. This is where the beavers hang out. And the owls. Beauty of a day. It's noon, people. It's noon. Yeah, I don't think so, Cash. Get over here. Good boy. I know you want to be in the picture, but get over here. Foamy. What do you think, bud? Okay, let's go.
It's pretty hard to believe we were just on the creek the other day with our machines. Like, holy crap. Anyway, thanks Shelley for taking that video for us. That's awesome. Anyway, people, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. Big cheers. And we'll talk to you guys later. I don't know if that's live. We accidentally did a live show not too long ago. Hey, Graham?
Yeah.
Graham was the star of it. He didn't even know it. Shelley was on the stereo, on the tunes.
That's so different than the version that I've heard. That was 76, Fleetwood Mac.